This is fourth video in the series. Last time I have created the auto host website in my target system. The only thing remaining is now to go and show you how to do how to do for media items. So let's go and find one image. So, okay, I have this image which doesn't exist in my target system. Let's go and check. Yep, this is my media library for my target system and doesn't have an image. Let's go and quickly create this. Say CoreSync, sync backup, use update, okay, item from content tree to provide my credentials, ID and say submit. Yep, it has quickly done. Let's go and check this in my target system. Yep, I can see something got coming, and yes, it is. So I have my media items also. So basically this tool works on every item or every type of item. It could be template, it could be layouts, but remember it does only and only work for items. It doesn't work on the files. So if I go and try to sync my layouts, you should not assume that okay, it's going to go and copy those files also from source to target. It's purely and purely for your items level stuff. Now I want to show something else. Say for example, people who are concerned, okay, this tool looks cool but it doesn't look secure to me. How I'm going to secure these tools from my content authors? I want this tool to be used only by admin. So there is security features and there is few settings of this tool through which you can control this tool. Let me go and show you quickly. So whenever these tools come and install it, you will find it in modules. You can see it here, CoreSync, and these are the targets basically. So if target doesn't exist in your system, you will not even able to see from whom to sync. Let's go and see this CoreSync. In CoreSync, you can see here there are certain default things which has been specified, like what are the error thresholds. Say for example, if I continuous internal error happens, it will go and stop the process. This comes handy when you run in automate fashion. So yeah, this options tell you that if you don't provide history engine while taking data copy from one system to another, then it will go and simply look last 30-minute data. This settings always determine this, that it will go and look data only in master database, which is the default database. But as you've seen that tools give all options which you specified. I'll come to those options of database, how it's go and specified. This is the default language for the tool to look in for data. This is the application name, you can go and change it. And here comes the security features. So one security feature is for backup wizard, or basically CoreSync backup or sync set wizard. Another one is for recovery wizard. So as you can see here, you can go and set up a few rules, like this tool should be only and only enabled for those people who are who are the usernames with this, or who are basically a role with this, or the current username is a specific role or specific profile. So based on these three conditions, you can set up your rule, and based on that rule you will be able to see this, or basically your users are able to fire it up. So if I go and say it's not admin and I put something gibbish here, then of course I am not able to do it. And as you know that I am logging in and doing my work in admin rule, I'm able to see all this wizard working. So using this rule editor, basically you are able to tell CoreSync that whom to show which wizard. Okay, so this is cool about security. Now coming back to the sources available. So for example, you want to, so okay, this is my target system. Let me show you what are the sources I have kept in my source system. This is my source system. Let's go, it's same here also. Let me go into the CoreSync, and here, okay, let me come. I can see here that site code 71, which is site code 71, which is my target system. It's the URL. So this is, I specified my name of my target system and the host. You have to provide the host URL this way. And you can provide as many as databases pipes separately. Say if tomorrow if I have something else, let's say publish, or let's say live, you will be able to find out those databases also. But remember one thing, that these settings have been cached into the system. So if you go and do change these settings, you have to clear the cache. Now to clear the cache, there are two mechanisms. One is, of course, you can go and do the app pull recycle or app pull reset, which nobody wants, I guess, in production system. And there is another way around to it, which is admin manager of this tool. So yes, this tool also comes up with an admin manager, and it has also a lot of cool features about it. But let's focus right now to the settings. Let's say, for example, I want to go and create new target for it. So I have to just say sync target. I have to provide my new target. Let's say new target, and it will go and create this. I have to, of course, specify my new target URL. So let's assume that it has the same thing, and you can save it. Once you save it, you can start seeing those options. Let me show you. Yep, so you can see it here. You can see it here, that now I am basically able to see two options. One is new target, another one is Sitecore 7.1. So it's up to you that how many target you want to have and to basically do such kind of stuff. This is about settings. So I've shown you settings also. Let me show you how it looks in for PowerShell. Let's open PowerShell console, or let's open PowerShell ISE. As I've shown you, I have tell you that we can go and do in PowerShell also. So you can do in PowerShell. So for example, let me expand it. What you need to open is, you have to open a CoreSync library, and you can find sync or backup function there. So you can see here that you can execute all. This is just one function which basically have way to call this CoreSync module using .NET CMP led way. So what we are doing is here is like importing the DLL and then passing it to the parameter. So there are two functions. One is get CoreSync backup, another function is for recovery also, but I didn't put it in script, saying that nobody wants to do recovery process automatically, but yes, you can do it automatically that way. And if you want to test this function, you have to uncomment this line, and you have to provide a few values. Values are in sequence. You can see that which item you want to sync, item list to exclude anything, username, password, host URL for the target system, DB name of the target system, language name, include children, true or false. Backup mode is like you want to update the item, or you want to create the version. So true holds for always create version, and false hands for always go and create update the item. And then version number, if you want to specify. Lookup mode is always like you want to look in using history engine, or using item within the content tree. So if you provide item within the content tree option, it means that it will go and look items specified by you as now ID, and if you choose include children, it will go and include children of that item within the content tree. If you specify history engine, then it will basically, you have to provide date and time also. So that's how this options start. In next video, I'll go and show you how to execute this and how it looks. Fine, this is the fourth video of this series. We will meet you again in the fifth video. Thanks for watching this.